Ma'am, did you kill Christina McNeil?
I'm going to my free to give it.
You take the fifth?
Yeah.
Ma'am, you spoke to a Detective Wyckoff, W-I-K-O-F-F, on June 17th, 1998. Is that right, at the Bloomington Police Department?
I do my free to fit.
You told Detective Wyckoff at that time that you were still in love with Bart and wanted to get back together, right?
I do free to my bed.
And you told Detective Wyckoff that a few days before Christina's death, you had gone over to Bart's apartment and discovered some condoms in the bathroom, so you were suspicious he had another woman, right?
I do free to my bed.
So you searched the trash can to see if you could find more condoms, but instead you found some printed emails that he had exchanged with an internet girlfriend, right?
Objection.
I do free to
What's
my
the-
bed.
What's the objection?
Relevance.
What's the relevance, counsel?
Your Honor, it goes to her motive for killing Christina McNeil.
I never killed Krista McNeil, so.
The objection is going to be sustained.
Your Honor, I guess I would move to strike anything that she said based on the question. I'm not sure exactly what she said, but I know she did respond.
I think she indicated that she was pleading the fifth, not going to respond, and then she indicated that she did not kill Christina McNeil.
So are you taking the fifth as to whether you killed Christina McNeil or not?
I do free to my bed.
Did you kill Christina McNeil?
I do free to my bed.
Your Honor, I do have some questions about the case on which Ms. Wang is currently incarcerated, anticipating an objection. Am I able to go into that topic?
The objection is agreed.
Your Honor, the state would object to the homage then essentially the judicial notice of her current status in the Department of Corrections based upon her conviction. But the state would object to anything beyond that as far as relevance.
Let's see how any of that would be relevant to these proceedings. I know it was argued in the petition, and that portion of the petition was not advanced to third stage, and so I don't believe that would be relevant for today's hearing, and the objection is sustained.
I understand. Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, I understand that. I also have questions about Ms. Wang's abuse of her daughter, Michelle. In light of the court's ruling, I'm not going to answer all the questions, but there are a couple that I think are relevant, so I'm going to ask them and see where we go. Ms. Wang, you were charged and convicted of abusing your daughter, Michelle, right?
Objection, Your Honor.
Sustained.
Ms. Wang, you told your daughter the same thing would happen to her as happened to her sister.
Objection, Your
I
Honor.
free to bed.
Sustained.
Ms. Wang, when you talked to Detective Wyckoff the day Christina's body was discovered, you told him that you thought Christina was a cold child, right?
Objection.
Sustained.
Ma'am, during your marriage to Don Wang, you told him during an argument that you did kill Christina McNeil, didn't you?
I do bed. I do free to bed.
Your Honor, in light of the court's rulings, I have no further questions.
Any questions, Mr. Brigman?
No, Your Honor.
Thank you, ma'am. You may step down.